Hey guys, so welcome back to our channel. I'm Chip.
I'm Delaney.
And in today's video, we are doing our second part of the 2-in-1 switch. So in our first video, we had a Too Faced Extra Spicy palette and a Menagerie Whalesong palette, and now we're switching.
Bring on the brown.
Get the nudes.
I had enough blue the last time. So.
Yes, and I have the Whalesong. So if you haven't seen our first one where we used our original palette picks, please make sure to go check that out. And now we are switching, and I am so excited.
Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and jump into look number 1.
Yes.
The Morphe M330. We'll do it a little bit fluffier this time. This one's fluffier than the 412. So.
M322 brush, and I went into breaching. And I just primed my eyes with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in original.
Okay, we're gonna take Soft and Sweet, which is actually, like, I had to look online before I came here to make these looks in my head, and that lighting, man. You heard me talk about it in our first one when I was looking at the colors and I was like, that's not what I saw. Not what I saw. Like, Soft and Sweet looked a lot lighter online, which, I mean, it's fine if it's this dark. I would hope that if it's gonna be extra spicy gingerbread, like, I'm gonna get some extra spicy pigmentation. So I did another halo eye. We're gonna take Hot Tamale, which is like a darker version of Soft and Sweet, also matte. Pop this on the inner and outer corner. Sephora Pro 14 is the brush we're using. Oh, that is a very pretty color. Pigmentation here is actually pretty good, even for like Too Faced mattes. It's kind of blowing me away, so
yeah.
I am shockingly surprised.
And then we're going to dive into dye.
When Chip makes a joke.
And she's on. All right, we're gonna put Dive on top of breaching.
I'm gonna try with a finger application for this middle shade, and we're gonna use Lick the Spoon because I know Chip will never use this. So.
What is that?
The lightest nude metallic shimmer.
Yeah.
You put the metallics in this lip butter. I'm gonna take a little bit of Soft and Sweet underneath the lash line,
and then switching the color off there. And we're gonna go into...
Cetacean. I struggled with it too. I don't know how you say it. We're gonna take the ColourPop gel liner cream gel liner, excuse me, and Get Paid. We're gonna use the Tristique Good Vibes mascara.
I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define Concealer in C13, and I will be cutting Decrease.
Jump into a liquid lip. This is the Bellagant in the Berry Chili. I thought it would complement Hot Tamale relatively well, so we'll find out. Just gonna use the Tarte Big Ego mascara.
And then I'm gonna dive into Fluke. All right, let's have, ooh, now that is Christmas vibes, y'all.
I like the blue so much on you.
I love that lip though. Alrighty, well let's do some zoom in and, you know, get a closer look at this gorgeousness. And then we'll jump into our second look. This is now look number 2 with our switched palettes. So let's just dive in. You guys know the drill.
What are you gonna do?
We're gonna do some greens this time. So using a Sephora Pro Tapered Crease number 19, we're gonna dive into Bubble Net.
I'm gonna take the Morphe M330 and jump into Candy Queen so I can put it in the crease because we're doing like a diagonal eye shape, but I don't have like much hope because it's a shimmer shade. I just want it there for like blending for the other 2 shadows that I'll be using. I don't really care if it like doesn't really partake in the crease, but I'll go in with a finger later and fix the inner corner. I'm gonna take my next shade on the Sephora Pro 14 Cinnamon since we were speaking about it. It's a matte, of course, and we're just gonna pat that onto the lid area in like a diagonal shape.
We're using the Sephora Pro Shadow number 14 and diving into Splash.
All right, I'm gonna take Dark Ass Cookie Call. Same brush, outer corner.
And then I'm using the Sephora Pro Flat Concealer number 76, and I'm gonna dive in with Pearl.
Okay, I'm gonna take a fluffy brush to this outer corner, man, and just blend away because one side is just... I'm taking an eyeliner from Bare Minerals. These are pretty old, but like sometimes the payoff is still okay. And this is in a Perpetual Plum. Since I thought that Cookie Call was more purple, I picked a kind of purpley brown eyeliner. But like I said, they don't always pay off the way I want them to. So I'm gonna take Baby Bat Liquid Lipstick in Rogue.
Okay, so we're gonna go in with the Iconic London lip gloss. This is a lip plumper in Nearly Nude.
I like how I was just gonna skip right over mascara. Trey Steak again.
Yeah.
Ooh,
All the grains.
Love it. It's good. I like it though.
Now that's a pretty fall look. Yeah.
I'm a fireplace, bitch.
I like the diagonal. That's cool. Pretty. Okay, let's zoom in so you can take a closer look. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms. We've got Instagram, Facebook here, allsugarandspice_makeup, and we post daily looks on our Instagram. All the deets are in the description box. All right, thanks for sticking in.
Yay! Bye!